we want to show the task of the day first. If I don't like the task, it's basically a little bit like Tinder. So I swipe left if I don't like it, I swipe right if I like it. Up here you can see, like we thought about the option of a shared account. So within a family, within a shared flat, couple, whatever. So it's basically, let's say like father, mother, and the 2 children, and they all can participate within the different challenges. Here is a search button, so if I'm very interested in something, in a water challenge or whatever, I can search for the keyword water, and the water challenges appear. Down here you have the, what is it called? Yeah, the menu. So basically here's your profile. Here you can choose preferences. So if I'm very interested in particular topics, those challenges will most likely appear first. And here you have your achievements, the leaderboards and stuff, and here you have a button with a general overview. So about the structure of the app basically and the different challenges and tasks. When you swipe, you also get the option, sometimes you swipe left or right, and a fun fact appears, just, to give it like a little bit more of a kick and for more funny interactions. And when you click on a particular task, you see the task, you see the information about it, you get a done button. And also, if we do it with the shared account, you can see what other people out of your group also did that particular challenge successfully. And you also get a share button that you can, share your achievements on your social media or whatever. Yay!